Hello everyone, let's make some egg sandwich today. So let's start with bread, then some eggs. Get some milk. Yee-hoo. About a tablespoon, and then some salt. I don't know, man, just a bit of salt to taste. I'm just eyeballing everything here. Some pepper. Alright. Okay, so always when you're using this, when you're using a non-stick pan, right, you want to keep the heat low, because when the heat is high, the non-stick coating will burn off and it becomes toxic. So we don't want that. Your food becomes toxic. So I just have a little bit of butter, I don't know, probably a tablespoon or so. So I just cutting it into 2 parts, and oh yeah, look at that. I'm gonna just put my bread and just wipe it like this. Oh, so now I have this, right? Some cherry tomatoes. A little of salt. Just put some salt in this. If you can like toast it in the pan, but what I usually like to do to my tomatoes is that I just like to leave it inside this for about, I don't know, man, 5 minutes. About 5 minutes. Alright. I'm gonna turn the heat off. Look at this. That is nice toast. I mean, you don't have to be really perfect. It's just a breakfast, right? So alright. So while it's still hot, I'm gonna put my cheese on it. I'm gonna put my cheese. Okay, there you go. The trash goes here. Okay. And let's take this out. So now we're gonna scramble some eggs. So to scramble eggs, scrambled eggs. You need a little bit of oil. I mean, this is non-stick, you don't need a lot of oil, but I have ghee today, so I'm just gonna use ghee. Again, low heat. Remember, you're gonna use low heat. I turned off the heat for now, so what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna clear this off. Then I'll turn this on again. Make sure like really small heat. Then I'm gonna just like, oh yeah, I'm just going to scramble this. Okay, when it looks like when it's almost done, okay, then you should like take it out. There you go. It's gonna be creamy. The reason why I like using this silicone spatula is because you are able to like scrape everything off, so it's you don't waste a lot of eggs. I mean, just a little bit more, which I will have it later, but for this sandwich it's almost done and we're just gonna wait for the tomatoes to be done, right? And now let's just wait for a bit. So all you need is like a little bit of ketchup, and then a little bit of mustard, right? And then some, just gotta mix it. It'll turn a bit orange. So what this does is that it kind of gives you this nice tangy sauce, which is kind of nice though. It just tastes so good on its own. I don't feel like waiting today, so I'm just gonna go with these tomatoes. But usually what I suggest is just salting the tomatoes earlier, so it's like this. Guys, this is how you do a sandwich. It's yum.